This is the most important chart you'll ever see for Bitcoin, and today we are going to review this chart. Last month we predicted the current situation and I wanted to give you an update, so without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. This channel is about finding the next major pivot point of the market. And to achieve this goal, we are using unique techniques. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. Now let's get started. We know that the skyline catches all the tops of Bitcoin. We know that the ground line catches all the bottoms of Bitcoin. Right? Then we have the aqua line. We know that Bitcoin is not able to go below the aqua line. Every time we touch it, we have a strong bounce. Then we have the clouds that can be considered as the middle line of Bitcoin because we know that Bitcoin is dancing around this line. We can consider this line as the mean of Bitcoin. And the last line we have is the 20 weeks moving average. We know that this line is a key line for Bitcoin because in bull markets, we tend to use this line as a strong support, and in bear markets, we use it as a strong resistance. Right now, there is a lot of indecision in the market because last month we said that the current situation here is very similar to this situation, but also to this situation. And the difference between this situation and this one is that here we used the 20 weeks moving average as a support and we didn't go below it. We used it as a support and we went up. But here we tried to use it as a support, but we couldn't and we fell below it, right? And if you remember, I said also that this peak just right here is similar to this one, okay? That's why we can compare this situation to this one. We didn't touch the sky here. We didn't touch the sky. Then we have a move to the downside and we went below the 20 weeks moving average and we touched the clouds. Here we did the same thing. We went below the 20 weeks moving average and we touched the clouds. Also, we know that every time the aqua line is crossing the clouds, we have a major top in the market. You see here the aqua line is going above the clouds and we have a major top for Bitcoin. The aqua line is crossing the clouds and we have a major top for Bitcoin. And here also it's crossing the clouds and we have a major top for Bitcoin. That's why there is some confusion right now because this may be the major top for Bitcoin, okay? So either this top is this one or it is this one, okay? And if you have a closer look, if we are in this situation, you see that we have a cross of the aqua line, we have a major top, then we went below the 20 weeks moving average. Here we went below the 20 weeks moving average. We touched the aqua line. Here we touched the aqua line. Then we went above the 20 weeks moving average again. Here we went above the 20 weeks moving average again. And then we couldn't hold the 20 weeks moving average and we fell below it, right? So right now we have to pay attention to this. If Bitcoin is able to hold this level, this is a very good sign for the future, okay? This means that we were in this situation because as you notice, here we went below the 20 weeks moving average, then we went above it and we used it as a strong support, okay? You can see it here, okay? Just right here. We went above, we tested it as a support, then we went up, okay? And right now, this is what we want to see. We went above the 20 weeks moving average, and now we want a strong bounce to the upside. This is why this very moment is so important for the crypto market. As you know, I'm still bullish as long as we stay above the 20 weeks moving average. But if we start going below it, then I may change my mind. This was a quick update. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to know when my next video is out. That's all for today's video. It's time to leave the Crypto Lab. Thanks for watching. Do not ever be afraid to make new experiments. And if someone tells you you're crazy, just tell them. Time will tell.